Hi guys, good afternoon. So here we'll be sitting outside because there's no electricity. So just the relaxation here in outside now. What I can do. So see, good sitting. Like it, huh? See, relaxation time. Because it's no electricity, I don't know what time. So we'll be back. And I hear that there are more than 2 to 3 hours more. So look at my kitty. He's with me and Brownie. Hello, Brownie, kitty. Kitty, Whitney. Hi. Hindi ako pinapansin. Hi. Brownie. Hi. Oh, yan na, bababa na si Whitney. Ayan na. Lalapit na yan sa akin. Saan ka pupunta, Whitney? Saan ka pupunta? Ayan na, umikot-ikot din siya. Ayan, Ikot-ikot din siya, Whitney. Ayan na, Ayan. Ayan si Whitney, baby, Asin, ito na buntot niya. Yeah guys, so now we'll be to relax here right now because no electricity. Cannot able to keep inside the room because it's too hot. No ventilation, no windows, only doors, so no coming any single air. So that's why we'll be to keep it outside. So okay guys, thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye.